Hi beauties! Okay, so I'm so super excited today because one, it is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday! My birthday!
It's my birthday, 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 it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me! It's my birthday. But two, because I got all of these Huda Beauty packages. So Huda Beauty was having their birthday bundle sale and I got 4 of the birthday bundles. I think there was 5 in total and I got 4 of them because the sales were like crazy. It was like 65% off and 55% off and I was like, I need everything because I have bought the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and Rose Gold palette and they are the best eyeshadow palettes I've ever had. And I've swatched the highlighter palettes but I didn't ever buy them, so I was like, you know what? This is the perfect time. So today is my birthday and I got the delivery notice that they were gonna come today and it said I had to sign for it and I had no idea what time they were gonna come, and I started to go to my birthday party and as I was driving I saw the delivery truck like 6 blocks away, so I followed him to my house and he thought I was just some random stranger, so I had to show him my ID and then he gave me all my packages and I was so super psyched. So I'm excited to show you guys exactly what I got in every package. So let's start with the Lash Lovers birthday bundle, which was $100. Now normally the Huda Beauty eyelashes I believe retail between $18 and $20 and we got, let's count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different lashes. So that sale is like absolutely incredible. It's like 65% off I believe. So I'm going to show you each of the lashes. So we got these Sasha lashes. And of course they all have the Huda Beauty signature eye look behind them. I am beautiful. We got these Monique lashes, Sasha lashes, Alyssa number 2s, which are individuals, Coco Jo, Jade, Claudia, Samantha, Farah, Harmony, Giselle, Carmen, Camille, Noelle, Lana, and another Samantha. So all those lashes were so super beautiful and they're synthetic, but I know that you can wear them like a dozen or more times as long as you take good care of them, so I'm really excited to try those out. I really feel like I can create some really amazing looks with them, so I'm excited to see that. Check out my Instagram because I'll be tagging them anytime I use them. The next bundle is called the Beauty Boss Birthday Bundle. So this is basically just like an assortment of all the best goodies. And the Beauty Boss Birthday Bundle was $75. So we got the Samantha lashes. We've got a liquid matte lipstick in Trendsetter, a liquid matte lipstick in Muse, a lip contour set in Spice Girl and Venus, the Winter Solstice lip strobes in shades Charmed, Star-Crossed, Bewitched, and Hypnotic, and these are like minis. They're so pretty. Look at that like iridescent glow. And then we have the Huda Beauty Winter Highlighting Palette. And I'll show you what the palette looks like in just a minute because we have another set that is just palettes, so I figure I'll show you the inside of that in just a minute. Let's move on to our next palette, our next set, which is the Perfect Pout Birthday Bundle. And these are all lipsticks. And I believe the lipsticks all retail for, again, $18 to $20. And we got 4 lip liners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sorry, we got 10 lipsticks and 5 lip liners. So let's check them out. So we got this lip contour shade in Vixen, this lip contour pencil in Trendsetter, lip contour in Icon, lip contour in Bombshell, and the lip contour in Muse. We got the Huda Beauty lip strobe in the shade Angelic, the liquid matte in the shade Muse, the liquid matte summer edition in the shade Bikini Babe. This is gorgeous. A lip strobe in the shade Shameless, lip strobe in the shade Enchanting, liquid matte in the shade Icon, liquid matte in the shade Medusa. This is like a gorgeous vampy color. A lip strobe in Fearless, a liquid matte in Gossip Girl, and a liquid matte in Material Girl. So the Perfect palette bundle cost $110, and this one cost $80, and $80 is the price of 2 palettes, so basically it's like buy one get one free, which is amazing. So let's look at those. So first we have the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice edition, which you actually saw in the Boss Beauty one, and this is what the case looks like, and let's look at the beautiful shades inside. Oh my goodness, how beautiful are they? So we have the shade right here called Arctic Glow, we have Frosted Kiss, we have Northern Lights, and Winter Rose, and these shades are just so gorgeous. Like, there's no way the camera can do them justice. They are amazing. You can see them in the dark glow, in the light. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Next we have the Summer Highlighting Palette. So gorgeous. And these are the shades inside. We have Malibu, Saint-Tropez, Copacabana, and Mykonos. They are beautiful. Next we have this Huda Beauty Golden Sands Edition highlighter palette. Ah, how gorgeous is it? And we have the shades Fiji up here. Then next we have, honestly I don't even know how to say it, Seychelles. I don't know, I'm butchering these names, I'm so sorry. Then we have Tahiti, and next we have Zanzibar, and these shades are just gorgeous. Like, they are amazing. And then we have the Pink Sands Edition. And we have Capri, Santorini, Azores, and Ibiza. So I'm so excited to play with all these things. Like, I cannot contain myself. I literally just got the package and was about to dip my finger in them and start playing with them and like swatching them and stuff, and I was like, no, wait, make a video before you mess them all up. So that's exactly what I did. If you guys want to see a video on the swatches of all of these, like if you want to see all the lipstick swatches or all the highlight swatches, let me know and I'll definitely make a video for them because I cannot wait to start playing with these. Special thanks to Huda Beauty for having this huge sale, and happy birthday to Huda Beauty, and also happy birthday to me because it's my birthday. Huda Beauty, thank you for making such amazing products, and the sale is crazy, but thank you so much for making such amazing products. They are fantastic and I can't wait to play with them. Oh, I'm so excited. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and comment if there's something else you would like to see. Bye beauties, love you.